Hello everybody. Hey, today I just want to quickly shoot a video so I can respond to most of your question on how to get the GoPro 8 Hero Black with the media mod install to work with the Purple Panda microphone that I ordered off Amazon. So I've been having problem trying to set it up. So I didn't see any instruction from Purple Panda about what to use, what to make it work with the GoPro 8 with the media mod, included. So here's my discovery that I found that come in the box that Purple Panda gives you a couple adapters. There's a really long cable, super long one, and this adapter have 3 black band. And don't use this one not gonna work. Basically it's the exact same thing, it's just the extension with the original microphone here. It's the adapter, basically it just look like it's the same thing. So don't use that, it's not gonna work. And I saw people on YouTube online by googling, I saw somebody trying to use that, it's not gonna work. And even if it worked, nobody want to use this thing anyway. Super long cable, where you gonna hide them? You're definitely not gonna try to wrap it up on your helmet, so don't use that one, not gonna work. And this adapter, maybe maybe for the older model of the GoPro, maybe GoPro 4 Hero 4, but don't use that one at all, can't use that. This is the one that gonna work for you here. I'm not sure on the previous version of the microphone, this Purple Panda, did they give you this microphone or not? But now that I ordered today, I got this one included in the box. So this adapter come with 2 black band. See, it's notice the difference. And it's short. So here what you do to make it work. So on your GoPro 8 with the media mod, there is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Just make sure you plug this adapter into that adapters, and then you can make sure you plugged it into the adapter. Make sure you hear the hard click, and that will work for sure. So I hope this video informational and helped you guys who still having problem trying to figure it out. But have fun. Thank you.